Welcome to the Biomatrix e-learning programs. I'm Elisabeth Dostal, the developer and presenter of the e-learning programs. I'm a futurist, management consultant and management educator. As a futurist, I used to work at the Institute for Futures Research at the University of Stellenbosch, South Africa for about 15 years. My task was to do socio-economic, socio-political forecasting, and some of my forecasts involved unemployment, education, urbanization, population growth, etc. As we forecast those trends, we realized that the situation is getting significantly worse. And about 20 years down the line, those forecasts came true, give or take a few percentage points. While we explored those issues, it became clear to us what the causes of those problems were, the multidimensionality of the causes. But it also became clear to us that the proposed solutions by politicians and decision makers of the day until today are not able to solve those problems. And this sentiment was expressed also by the G20 group years later in March 2009, after they discussed the finance crisis. They said, we know what brought about the finance crisis, but we don't know what to do about that. And the same is true for all those problems ranging from poverty to climate change, etc. While still at the Institute for Futures Research, we explored systems theory as an approach to get a better understanding of the problems on the one hand, and also maybe help to contribute, solve them on the other hand. And we met the important systems thinkers such as Eckhoff, Gacetaki, Dana Meadows, Peter Senge, Banerjee, Laszlo, etc. We explored their approaches to problem solving, and I left the Institute to join a PhD program to have even more time to explore those issues. And I came across the Biomatrix group at the University of Cape Town, which was located in the biomedical engineering department and had contributed some significant concepts to the field of system thinking based on biological research and understanding of how the human nervous system functions. And I joined that group in their PhD program simply because I had the intuitive feeling that their contributions are what was lacking in the systems field, and that those contributions allowed us to integrate the various, sometimes disjointed concepts and approaches in systems theory to integrate them into one coherent meta-systems theory. And the members of the Biomatrix group, which ranged from different disciplines, biology, healthcare, psychology, technology, and I represent the management and social sciences, and later on we were joined by musicologists. So we all applied a biometric system theory in our respective disciplines. And this is how I became a management consultant. I applied the body of knowledge that I was researching in concrete problem-solving situations in the public sector to help make public policy designs on the one hand, but on the other also in private sector organizations to facilitate the restructuring of organizations according to systems principles and the exploration of how a systemic organization should function and how an organization transformation can be brought about. In the last 10 or so years, I have been asked by various universities, typically within an MBA program, to share my body of knowledge. I worked for several years at the University of Stellenbosch, University of Johannesburg, as well as Erasmus University in Rotterdam. We feel that it is now time to share that body of knowledge with a larger audience, and that is why we developed that e-learning program.